Welding isn't just a skill, it is a gateway to creativity, craftsmanship, and even a profitable business. But before you strike that first act, you need a proper workshop. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to set up a safe, efficient, and fully functional welding workshop, whether you are working in a garage, basement, or backyard. Let's get started. The first step in setting up a welding workshop is selecting the right location. This space will serve as the foundation for all your welding activities, so it is important to choose wisely. Common options include a garage, basement, shed, or even a dedicated corner of your backyard. Each location has its pros and cons, so consider factors like space, accessibility, and ventilation. A garage is a popular choice because it typically offers ample space and easy access to electrical outlets. It is also separate from the main living areas, which can help contain noise and fumes. If you have a basement with sufficient space and ventilation, it can be a great option. However, basements often require additional measures to ensure proper airflow and fire safety. A stand-alone shed can be an ideal solution if you have limited space in your home. It is separate from the main house, which minimizes disruptions to your family. If you live in a mild climate, setting up a workshop in your backyard can work well. Just make sure to protect your equipment from the elements with a steady canopy or enclosure. Pro tip: ventilation is critical when welding as it produces harmful fumes and gases. If you are working indoors, install an exhaust fan or air filtration system to maintain good airflow. For outdoor setups, ensure there is plenty of open space to dissipate fumes. Welding machines require a significant amount of power, so it is essential to have the right electrical setup in your workshop. Most welding machines run on 220 volts, which is different from the standard 110-volt outlet found in most homes. To accommodate this, you may need to upgrade your electrical system. Consult a licensed electrician. Hiring a professional to install a dedicated 220-volt outlet is the safest and most efficient option. They can also assess your workshop's electrical capacity and ensure it meets the demands of your welding machine. If you are working in a temporary or remote location, use heavy-duty extension cords rated for 220 volts. Avoid using standard extension cords as they can overheat and pose a fire hazard. Pro tip: label your electrical outlets and circuit breakers to avoid confusion and ensure you are using the correct power source for your equipment. A well-equipped workshop is essential for successful welding projects. Here is a list of the basic tools and equipment you need to get started: welding machine, angle grinder, drill, clamps, welding helmets, and welding gloves and apron. Pro tip: start with a basic setup and gradually add specialized tools as your skills and project evolve. A steady workbench is the centerpiece of any welding workshop. It provides a stable surface for cutting, grinding, and assembling your project. Here's how to create a workbench that meets your needs. Build your workbench out of metal or heavy-duty wood to withstand the heat and weight of welding projects. Include storage shelves or drawers to keep your tools organized and within reach. Choose a height that is comfortable for you to work at for extended periods. Pro tip: add a fire-resistant surface such as a metal sheet to your workbench to prevent accidental fires. An organized workshop is a productive workshop. Use pegboards, tool chests, or wall-mounted racks to store your tools and keep them easily accessible. Here's how to stay organized. Use labels to identify the content of storage bins and drawers. Group similar tools together, such as cutting tools, grinding tools, and measuring instruments. Regularly clean and maintain your tools to ensure they are in good working condition. Pro tip: create a designated area for scrap metal and waste materials to keep your workspace clutter-free. Safety should always be your top priority when welding. Equip your workshop with essential safety gear and precautions. Install a fire extinguisher rated for electrical and metal fires. Keep a well-stocked first aid kit in your workshop for emergencies. Wear gloves, aprons, and safety glasses to protect yourself from sparks and heat. Pro tip: conduct regular safety checks to ensure your equipment and workspace are in good condition. Welding produces dust, debris, and metal shavings. which can create hazards and make it difficult to work efficiently. Here's how to maintain a clean workspace. Use a shop vac or industrial vacuum to clean up after each project. Store tools and materials in designated areas to prevent clutter. Clean your workshop regularly to maintain a safe and efficient environment. Pro tip: use a magnetic sweeper to pick up metal shavings quickly and easily. Good lighting is essential for precision work. Here's how to illuminate your workshop effectively. Install bright overhead lights to provide general illumination. Use task lights near your workbench to ensure you can see every detail of your project. Opt for LED lights for bright, energy-efficient illumination. Pro tip: position your light to minimize shadows and glare. Welding can be noisy, especially when using power tools like grinders and drills. If you are working in a shared space, consider ways to reduce noise. Use acoustic panels or foam to minimize noise. Wear earplugs or ear muffs to protect your hearing. Plan your welding activities during times that are less disruptive to others. Pro tip: communicate with your family or neighbors about your welding schedules to minimize disturbances. Welding produces fumes and gases that can be harmful if inhaled. Here's how to maintain good air quality in your workshop. Ensure your workshop has proper ventilation, whether through natural airflow, exhaust fans, or air filtration system. Use a fume extractor or portable ventilation system to remove harmful fumes from your workshop. Wear a respirator to protect yourself from inhaling fumes. Pro tip: regularly inspect and maintain your ventilation system to ensure it is functioning properly. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.